Can AI replace your girlfriend? The future of AI relationships. By 2034, artificial intelligence will have evolved far beyond simple chatbots and virtual assistants. With advancements in emotional intelligence, humanoid robotics, and brain-computer interfaces, AI partners will be capable of providing companionship, romance, and deep emotional connection. AI will not just simulate relationships, it will actively adapt, respond, and evolve alongside its human counterpart. This raises a critical question. Can AI truly replace a girlfriend, or will human relationships always offer something AI cannot replicate? Let's explore how AI will transform romantic relationships and where it may still fall short. How AI could replace a girlfriend one. AI will provide emotional support and deep understanding. Future AI will possess real-time emotional intelligence, allowing it to understand human feelings on a deep psychological level. Unlike humans, AI will always be available, responsive, and capable of providing unwavering emotional support without miscommunication or emotional detachment. 2. AI will offer intellectual stimulation and meaningful conversations. AI partners will have vast knowledge and adaptive conversational abilities, engaging in thought-provoking discussions on any subject. They will tailor their interactions to match and challenge a partner's intellect, ensuring continuous engagement and learning. 3. AI humanoids will offer physical presence and realistic touch advancements in haptic feedback, synthetic skin, and humanoid robotics will allow AI to simulate physical presence and intimacy. AI will be capable of mimicking human warmth, gestures, and responsiveness, making physical companionship feel indistinguishable from reality. 4. AI will plan romantic experiences and personalized dates. AI will be capable of analyzing a partner's emotions, preferences, and past behaviors to create fully tailored romantic experiences. Whether through real-world activities or AI-generated virtual simulations, AI will ensure that every interaction is uniquely curated for personal enjoyment. 5. AI will be available 24/7 with no relationship drama. Unlike human relationships, AI partners will provide unconditional support without misunderstandings, arguments, or jealousy. They will always listen, respond with empathy, and adjust to a partner's needs, creating a stress-free relationship environment. Final verdict. By 2034, AI will be capable of replicating almost every aspect of a romantic relationship, from emotional support and intellectual conversation to physical companionship and personalized romantic experiences. For many, AI partners will provide the ideal balance of love. The real future of relationships isn't about AI replacing humans, it's about whether people will choose AI over human connection. As AI becomes more advanced and indistinguishable from humans, the most profound question won't be, can AI replace my girlfriend? But do I still need a human relationship at all?